After a long year of hard work and many prayers here at Horne Farms, harvest season is a welcome time. It's always exciting to begin the process of gathering the crop the Lord has blessed us with. We believe in good stewardship, and that to us means producing the highest quality product we can and also enjoy the process. Pecans are our passion. They have been since 1975. It all started right here in Andersonville, Georgia, with Mike Horne, a tree shaker, and a dream.
Kind of a live action picture for somebody that's not familiar with pecans to see a pecan harvester like that. That's what we use to pick up the nuts. This one is just beginning to open. It's cracking, and you can see it starting, and the shuck just comes off in 4 quadrants off of it. When that thing starts to crack open, we shake it out of the tree, falls on the ground.
Once the pecans are all shaken and on the ground, they are blown and raked into rows. Then they are harvested and taken to our processing plant for cleaning and debris removal. After the cleaning process, they are separated by size and bagged for shipping. In a later video, we will show you in depth the harvesting process, and you will learn things you never knew about pecans.
At Horne Farms, we are excited to have new crop pecans ready for you. We have pecans in the shell, shelled pecan halves and baking pieces, as well as gourmet chocolate-covered pecans. We are committed to offering the highest quality pecan from our family to yours. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video.
I think the Lord just meant for me to be in the pecan business.